This video is to demonstrate how to restore the layers for the overhead laser to properly project the different items such as vacuum cups, geometry, material layers. The first thing to look for, if you can calibrate the laser but cannot project material or geometry or vacuum cups, is to go to the setup menu and go into machine setup and look at your DXF layers page. If they are blank, we need to exit out of the software for the Fab Center, and we need to go into the File Explorer, System C, CNC Router Data, and look for the file named CNC Machine Layers.par. Using a mouse or the on-screen mouse, we are going to right-click it and do Restore Previous Versions and look for a previous version. This version is from December 7th. I'm going to restore it to that. And you can confirm that there was something in there by opening the file in Notepad, and these are the different layers that should show up in the DXF Layers screen in the Titan program. So we'll close this out, reopen the Titan program. So now we can go to the setup menu and go to machine setup, set up DXF layers, and all of those different layer types are displayed so that the laser will show when you click on your different layers on the screen. Okay.